In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in HubSpot. Custom fields are a fantastic way to tailor your HubSpot database to better fit your unique needs, allowing you to track and organize information that's specific to your business's processes. Let's begin by accessing the HubSpot settings. First, you need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll see a gear icon. That's your settings, so you give it a click to enter the settings menu. Now that we're in the settings area, the next step is to navigate to properties. You'll find this option under the data management section. Go ahead and select properties. This is where you'll manage all the fields available for your data objects. Once you're in the properties section, you'll need to choose the object type for which you wish to create a custom field. Whether it's contacts, companies, deals, or another object type, select the one that corresponds to where you want your new field to appear. Once you've chosen your object type, it's time to create the property itself. You'll see a Create Property button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to start filling out some information. This brings us to the basic information that will define your new custom field. Begin by providing a display name for your property. This is how it will appear to you and your team. HubSpot will generate an internal name automatically, but you have the option to customize it if you wish. It's also important to choose a group to help organize your fields, ensuring your property is neatly categorized. Now let's consider the field type. HubSpot offers a range of field types such as text, number, dropdown, date picker, and more. Choose the field type that best matches the kind of data you intend to store. For example, if you need to capture a numerical value, select number. If you're expecting a list of options, a dropdown might be appropriate. Making the right choice here ensures that your data is both accurate and easy to manage. The next step involves setting rules for your new property. Here, you can specify if this field should be mandatory by marking it as required. Additionally, consider adding a default value or setting specific formatting requirements that align with your data management goals. These rules can streamline data entry and maintain consistency across your records. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the entries, click Create to save your custom field. And there you have it. Your new custom field is now ready for use, allowing you to optimize your HubSpot experience. By following these steps, you've effectively personalized your HubSpot database to enhance your business's data management. Feel free to revisit and adjust this field whenever necessary, adapting it to suit evolving needs. Thanks for watching, and happy HubSpotting!